In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send instant video messages in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp app and then go to chats. After that, just enter a conversation or a group chat. And here down below at the right corner you will find this camera icon. So guys, first off we need to tap at that camera icon that will activate your camera, and here we can record video, take a photo, or we can switch here to video note mode. And that's how we can make that circle video. To record it, all we have to do is just tap right here at this record button once, and it will start recording the video. You can see the countdown here, and in this way you can record this circle video message up to 60 seconds long. Once you stop recording a video, hit right here to stop it, and then we can tap right here to play that video. And then if you would like to send it, hit right here at this button, just like that, and that will send this video note to the conversation. That's basically how you can easily send instant video messages in WhatsApp, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.